Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video I will show you how to open Activity Monitor on Mac, and I am also going to explain to you why it's one of the most useful tools on Mac OS. If your MacBook suddenly feels slow, starts heating up, or the fan begins spinning loudly, then Activity Monitor is the first place to check. And let me show you how to open it. The fastest way is by using Spotlight Search. Press Command Space to open Spotlight Search. Type here Activity Monitor. Once it appears, hit enter, and there you go. The second way is to open a new Finder window. Then go to Applications, find Utilities over here, and here you are going to find Activity Monitor. Double click on it to open it like this. Now that it's open, let me tell you what you can do with it. The CPU tab shows which apps are using your processor the most. The memory tab tells you how much RAM is being used and whether your Mac is under memory pressure. The energy tab helps you identify apps that are draining your battery. The disk tab shows which apps are reading from or writing to your storage. And last but not the least, the network tab displays which apps are sending or receiving internet data. If an app freezes or stops responding, then you can select it and press the X button at the top to force quit it. If you are coming from Windows, then think of Activity Monitor as the Mac version of Task Manager. It lets you see exactly what's happening inside your Mac. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel Joey's Tech so that you don't miss out on such Mac tips and tricks videos.